Hey friends, let's have a look how we can round up values in the exported spreadsheets from Bonsai. What I'm talking about, here it is. We have room data spreadsheet, and we have some information here about the room number, room name, net floor area, and net volume. Okay, and we can see that, let me make this larger. There we go. These values have a lot of decimals, and yeah, they are not really useful most of the time, right? We want rounded up numbers. Let's see how we can prepare this so that every time when we export, we can get better yeah, decimals, like proper decimals. If you are looking for the documentation, you have to go here in the first tab in the project overview. You scroll down at grouping and filtering, and you click on this button right here, open URI, and you will get redirected to this link right here, this URI, which is this one right here. And here is the documentation, right? You'll get on this page. And what I usually like to do is just search and have here round, as you can see. Search for, and we see here. This is what we want. We want to round out values, right? Round up. And this is how you do it. You use this function round. You have the value and precision. Like in this case, round this number and with 1 decimal, and it will look like this. This is the result, right? So rounds the value to the nearest precision, okay? So let's go back to Bonsai. I have here my IFC CSV template. We can see it here, and we see that to enable this, you have to press on this, show formatting. If you don't press on this, you will not be able to deal with that. So we see that by default, we see this value, which means it's going to show the full value exactly how it is with all the decimals, okay? Just reading this. And if I'm looking here at the space information, where is this information coming from? We are going to see that we get volume 0.039 blah blah blah, right? So that's what's happening here. And now let's see what we have. We have net floor area. Let's say that we want to round this up, and I will type in round. I will open the parentheses. Then we don't need the brackets because this is like value, means like it's a variable or something like that. So in this case, let's say I want 2 decimals, okay? And that is going to be 0.01. And then we close the parentheses, and then I will click on Open Web UI. And when we go here, we should get that updated. Yes, we can see that the net floor area, now we have only 2 decimals, right? Is that what you want? Most of the time, actually, I think more normal is to have only 1 decimal, if at all. But yeah, let's see. Let's do like this, and let's copy paste this here because it's the same. And now we should get this. Yeah, so simple it is. This is quite helpful. Now let's see if we can round up to full numbers. Let's see, because I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it will work. So I didn't try this. Let's see if we put only 1. Do we get an error, or will it work? It worked? Oh yes, it worked. Okay, it was easier than, than I thought. So it's good. Sometimes, yeah, maybe we want to see a decimal anyway, right? Sometimes it's 0, but yeah, so maybe it's still okay to have a decimal. So yeah, or 2, I'm not sure. These are meters, right? So I'm not sure. You tell me, okay? Leave a comment and tell me, how many decimals should we use for this? Like, what is normal? I don't deal a lot with this kind of thing, so you tell me if it's 1 decimal or 2 decimals. It's very important for this to work. You have to use a dot instead of comma, but if you manage to do this, we should get an error now. So let's see. Yeah, you see? We get an error, and it shows us here that in this, when it tries to apply this, this is the error. And we can see we are using comma here and here. So it doesn't make any sense to have comma. But we see here, no terminal matches comma. So that's very easy to fix just by using the dot. And now we go here and again we see 2 decimals. You tell me, okay? I count on you. Are you usually using double decimals or only 1 decimal into your information that you extract about rooms? Okay, that is going to be it for today. If you like and enjoy these kind of things, and if you need help with your work around IFC, then maybe you might want to look into the Bonsai Bootcamp. If you want to learn more about it, you will find in the description below the form, and you get it from there. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good one. Bye.